Hello students, hope you are doing well. Thank you for your active participation in the course modules and discussion forums for the general topic form. This announcement relates to a series of emails I have recently received from most of you and also seeking clarification regarding the steps and processing of Java programs by most of you in the forum of week 1. So as you can see from this video, from this slide, I have explained here the processing of a Java program which follows 5 steps. So Java program undergoes many stages like editing, compiling, loading, verifying, interpreting. So the first step of any Java program is editing. This process uses the Java code and saves in a text file named with the .java extension. So the file name follows all the naming conventions. Compiling, the second stage. So the compiler will check the source program for any errors, syntax errors, then translates these program code understood by the interpreter called as the bytecode, which is saved in a file name .class. The third step is loading. So the .class file, which is the bytecode file, must be loaded into the computer's main memory in order to execute and connect all the associated classes. So after editing, compiling and loading, the fourth step is actually called verification or verifying. It is used to validate and secure against any damage for the developed code. And the final step of interpreting, the interpreter will read and translate each of the bytecode instructions into a machine language and then execute it one instruction at a time. So this is how the Java programs are going to be processed following these 5 important stages. Now coming to the question of steps in writing a Java program, there are 3 major steps as you can see here: writing the source code, compiling the source code, and then running the bytecode with the input to produce the desired output. Now when you see here, the programmer will write the program using an editor, and then it will save that program with a .java extension. .java file name will have an extension of .java, and then you will have this Java file which is going to be compiled into a .class file. It is also called as a bytecode. So this is eventually run in any of the machine. That's why Java is called as the highly portable language, because you write your program once, compile it once, but you can execute it in any machine. So it is executed with the help of a Java runtime library. So it makes use of third-party APIs and native libraries in order to execute the program to deliver the output. So these are the steps in writing a Java program. So this the following book we have referred, From Problem Analysis to Program Design by D.S. Malik, and web references. I have also provided you a series of other YouTube links which act as a tutorial for this, as well as some web references, web resources for you to refer. Should you need any further clarifications, please feel to discuss with me on the forums, or you can alternatively send me email or send it to my WhatsApp number, which is made available in my instructor resources. Thank you students. Have a great day.